Why is she calling me? She must know I got the tax money. Hello? Hey, Yvonne, what's up, girl? Oh, nothing. You want me to come over later? Pas de problem, no. What you leaving for me? For me to come over? Huh? Come on, talk to daddy, talk to daddy. You gonna see? Okay, send me a picture. See, show me what you leave for me. Okay? Okay, send it. I'll wait for you. Yeah, I'm so excited, girl. Okay. You sent it? Hi, hold on. Hold up. It was. Now, it's okay you tell me to come, kiss your toes. Is that your toes? In the picture? Oh my God, that's your toes? What happened to your toes? Why is it sticking out? Your toes look like they're on vacation. They're free. Why can't they stay inside of the shoes? Why they have to go on vacation and gallivanting all over the place? Evans, do me a favor. Never send me a picture of your feet again, okay? I think I'm gonna have nightmare. Oh my God. Why you have to send this to me? Evans, listen. Forget about me coming by your house. I'll never speak to you again. With these toes, girl, I don't know if you're a human or the devil. Only the devil will have those. Bye. Oh my God. Why she send me her toes like that?